So I planted some of the herbs I could save yesterday because they were dying. They looked pretty good this morning. Yesterday they was horrific. But these look pretty good today. Okay, I repotted my African violet, so hopefully, as you can see, it's browning right there. So hopefully I saved it and it'll start to grow nice. And that's my cactus plant. I repotted as well yesterday along with the African violet. So hopefully they'll start to grow and bloom. 2 weeks ago I purchased these. As you can see, they're dying. So, okay, this is the thing. Look at that. A peppermint. So hopefully, okay, I didn't take them out the plastic container that they were in when you buy them. So they were in there 2 weeks. So my mom saw that and she was like, wait a minute, you're supposed to repot them. So I went on and repotted them yesterday after 2 weeks of them suffering in those little thin plastic containers. So hopefully they will get better. They'll start growing better. Look at that. That peppermint plant looks like it's exhausted. That's my herb and my chives. This is cilantro. Oh, I hope it make it. And that's the parsley. So we'll see. Okay, this is an update. The last time I had an update was May 29th. Today is June 7th. And as you can see, they are doing quite well. These are anyway. As you can see, the basil is tall. And parsley's doing good. And so are the chives. The cilantro isn't doing that well. So I moved it from the other side to over here, hoping that maybe it needed sun. So yeah, the spearmint plant, I had to pluck some of the deadness off, so hopefully I had to move that over here from the other side, so maybe the sun will do it some good. And this was doing pretty good on the other side, but it's not as tall as the other basil, so we'll see how that goes. I repotted. Wait a minute. Who did I repot? Let me show you. Potted this one, and this one because the pots I had them in were too little. So I can't wait to see how they're going to sprout in the next 2 weeks.